A machine learning model is only as good as the data you feed it. So before we train anything, let's get clear on what a dataset actually is. Almost always, it is a table, and that table has a shape worth learning to read. Here is a small dataset of apartments. Every dataset is really just a table like this one. Across the top sit the column headings. Down the side, we will add one entry for each apartment we know about. Each row is one sample, a single, complete example the model can learn from. Watch them fill in, one apartment at a time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 rows means 5 samples. Lift one out, and it is simply one apartment with all of its facts attached. Each column is a feature, one property, measured the same way for every sample. This column is size, in square feet. This one, the number of bedrooms, and this one, the apartment's age in years. 3 columns, so 3 features, the inputs we get to look at. But one column is different. Price is the thing we actually want to know, the answer. We call that special column the label. We paint it green, because it is the target the model tries to get right, not just another input. So what does learning really mean? Take any single apartment. Its features go in, size, bedrooms, age. The model reads them, and out comes its guess at the label, the price. Learning is finding the rule that turns those inputs into that answer. You will see 2 names for these pieces everywhere. All the input columns together are called capital X. The one column we are predicting is lowercase y. So every dataset is just X on one side, and Y on the other. Now the payoff. A new apartment shows up. We know its features, but its price is blank, a question mark. We feed those features through the model, and it fills in the missing label. That prediction is the whole point of learning from the table. So, 3 words to keep. Rows are samples, the examples. Columns are features, the inputs, together called X, and one column is the label, Y, the answer we predict. Next time, we will look at the different kinds of values a feature can hold.